Hello students. Today I'll continue with the second type of conic section, which is parabola. In my previous video I had discussed and introduced you to the concept of parabola, and we had discussed the four standard forms and their equations. We had seen that the four standard forms, the equations are something like y squared equal to 4ax, y squared equal to minus 4ax, x squared equal to 4ay, or x squared equal to minus 4ay. Now I will introduce you to yet another term, that is latus rectum of a parabola. Now, latus rectum of a parabola is a line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola through the focus and whose endpoints lie on the parabola. So, or you could say that a latus rectum is a line through the focus perpendicular to the axis, and the portion cut off between the parabola is called as the length of the latus rectum. So in this figure, AB is the length of the latus rectum. Now to find the length of the latus rectum of a parabola, so let's consider the first standard form, which is y squared equal to 4ax, and on the same lines we can derive the length for the other three cases also, and that you can try on your own on the same lines as I will be explaining here. So to find the length of the latus rectum of the parabola y squared equal to 4ax, so let's take that parabola. Now clearly, by definition of latus rectum, it's a line through the focus perpendicular to the axis. So if you draw it, it will be something like that, and the portion cut off between the parabola, which is the length AB, would be the length of the parabola. Now since AB is a line perpendicular to the x-axis through the focus, the coordinates of A, the x coordinate, would be the same as that of the focus, that is, it will be small a, and y would be, we have to find the y coordinate, and once we are done, then the length of the latus rectum would be AF plus FB. It being symmetric about the x-axis, it will be twice of AF, which is 2 times y. Now the coordinates of A are a comma y. Substituting in the equation of the parabola, we get y squared equal to 4a, and in place of x I write y, a, and so I get which is equal to 4a squared, and so y would be equal to plus minus square root of 4a squared, which is plus minus 2a. So this coordinate would be 2a, and the coordinate of b would be a comma minus y, or a comma minus 2a, so that this length is 2a and this length is 2a. The length of the latus rectum is AB, which will be equal to 2a plus 2a, which is 4a, and so length of the latus rectum is 4a, which you can also see that length of the latus rectum is given by the coefficient of x in the equation of the parabola. Similarly, the length of latus rectum is 4a for the other three forms also, and so in case of symmetry about the y-axis, the coefficient of coefficient of y would give you the length of the latus rectum. Now let's do some examples. Now first kind of questions would be to find the coordinates of the focus, the axis, the equation of directrix, and the latus rectum of the parabola if the equation of the parabola is given to you. So first of all, looking at the equation, you can easily see that it is of the form y squared equal to 4ax. Now so clearly the axis would be the positive x-axis. Then comparing it with the standard form, that is y squared equal to 4ax, we can write it as y squared equal to 8 can be written as 4 into 2 into x, and so comparing we get a equal to 2. That is, the coordinates of focus are a comma 0, which is 2 comma 0. Now equation of directrix equal to x equal to minus a, and which will be equal to x equal to minus 2. Length of latus rectum is 4a, is equal to 2 into 4, which will be equal to 8. Or you could directly write the length of the latus rectum as the coefficient of x, which will be 8. Now let's start with the exercise 11.2. You can try all the questions from 1 to 5 on the same lines as the example discussed just now. Now let me take up question number 6. Now here the equation is x squared equal to minus 9y. So clearly it is of the form x squared equal to minus 4ay. Okay, now here a very important point is to be kept in mind, that A being a distance of the focus from the vertex, will always be taken as positive. The sign would be positive, positive or negative depending upon the axis of symmetry, and so the coordinates of the foci may be positive or negative, but the value of A will always be positive. So here axis is the negative y axis. Now comparing, we get x squared equal to minus 4 into, now we want it as minus 4ay. Here we have as minus 9y. So we want 4 definitely. So this will be achieved by making it as 9 by 4. So 4 into 9 by 4 into y. Comparing, we get A is equal to 9 by 4. We will not write A as minus 9 by 4. A is 9 by 4. The coordinates would be, that minus sign would be absorbed in the coordinate of the focus. That will be 0 comma minus A, which is 0 comma minus 9 by 4. Now equation of directrix is y equal to A, which will be y equal to 9 by 4. Length of lattice rectum is 4 times A, which will come out to be 9. It can be directly also written as the coefficient, the positive coefficient of the y in the equation. It being length, it can never be reported as negative. So it has to be always the positive coefficient of y in this case and x in this kind of equation. Now another kind of questions which can be asked from this topic are to find the equation of the parabola if you are given some details. Okay, now here since the equation of a parabola has only one unknown, whether it is y squared equal to 4ax or x squared equal to 4ay, a is the only unknown, and so for finding the equation of the parabola we need only one information, and it was given. Now suppose the question says that the vertex is origin, so that makes it a standard form. Okay, and it passes through 2 comma 3. So we have been given that it passes through 2 comma 3. Clearly we can have two kind of parabolas which pass through 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 lies in the first quadrant, and so we could have this parabola or this parabola. The equation of this parabola would be y squared equal to 4ax. Equation of this parabola would be x squared equal to 4ay. Now depending upon the axis of symmetry, we will decide which parabola is to be taken. In case nothing is given about this, you will report both the answers. Okay, so here the axis is given to be x-axis, and so clearly we will take up this form, this standard form, and so the equation of the parabola would be y squared equal to 4ax. It is given that it passes through 2 comma 3, and so substituting 2 comma 3 in this equation, so in place of y we write 3 and in place of x we write 2. So we get a equal to 9 by 8, and so the equation of the parabola would be y squared equal to 4ax, which is 4 into 9 by 8 into x, which is 9 by 2x, and this is the required equation. Now similarly, if the point through which it passes through is given to be minus 2 comma 3, clearly it lies in the second quadrant, and there are two parabolas which have a portion of them in the second quadrant. It would be, one is this case, which is x squared equal to minus 4ay, x squared equal to plus 4ay, and the another one would be this case where the axis is the negative x-axis, and so y squared equal to minus 4ax. Now depending upon what is given to us, we will consider that particular equation and substitute this point to get the value of a and then get the required equation. Same way, if the point lies in the third quadrant, then these are the two cases which can be taken, and here the equation of the parabola in this case would be y squared equal to minus 4ax. Now sorry, here also now y squared equal to minus 4ax, and here in case this is the case, that will be x squared equal to minus 4ay. Now depending upon whether the axis is given to be x-axis or y-axis, we will choose the equation accordingly and then substitute this point in that to get the value of a, and hence to get the equation. Now the last case, if the point through which the parabola passes is given to be something in the fourth quadrant, that is x is positive and y is negative. So you could have two kind of parabolas, this one or this one. The equation could be y squared equal to 4ax, or equation could be x squared equal to minus 4ay. Then again, depending upon whether the axis is given to be x-axis or y-axis, we will choose the equation or the form and then do the needful. So like this, proceeding in this manner, you can do all kind of questions which are based on parabola. Thank you.